Hey guys, it's a brand new day and welcome to a new video. All right, today I want to convince you to become a caregiver. So, the reason why I became a caregiver because I have a loved one in my family that needed extra attention. So if any way resembles your situation, here are the steps to how you become a caregiver, and hopefully this video will entice you to become a caregiver.
I am walking to a caregivers picnic. I guess it's an annual picnic that they host. It is packed to capacity. I have parked about 4 blocks away, trying to find my way down to get in. But I want to make this video about you should become a caregiver too. If you have someone in your family, so for example, I'm a caregiver for my mom. She qualifies for Medicare, so that means she's over 67. And if you have a loved one like that, the state, government, whatever, will pay you to be their caregiver. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit in this video about how to become a caregiver and what that looks like. And hopefully in the background scenes, I'll show you this picnic. I'm assuming this is their way of bringing us all together. It looks really nice. So let's try it. All right, let's
contact the agency so that your loved one can have an interview to prove that they are who they say they are and they are of age and they do receive Medicare.
All right, so I see a stage, which means that they're going to be having performances. Oh, okay.
Next step is to contact one of the caregiver employers on this screen. Contact them, let them know you already have a patient. You just want to be hired by them so you can service your loved one. You will need background checks and fingerprints because this is, of course, through the government.
All right, so I grabbed my t-shirt and I grabbed my water cup. They gave me a bag to put it in. Now I'm gonna check out what's over here. I did get pictures of the stage. I'm assuming they haven't started yet. So maybe they got groups, but they got tons of food trucks. I'm assuming everything is free for us. So I'm gonna try a couple of things. Holy cow, look way back there. All right, of course the longest line is Harold's Chicken, so I'm not surprised at that. That's a staple chicken for Chicago. Lindsay's Italian Ice, fried Oreos, Belgian waffles, coffee, and then here are the tents for the kids zone.
After the interview with the Care Solutions person, your loved one will get an amount of hours. It will only be like 20 hours per week that you can work.
I like the different color arches. All right, I'm gonna head to the back. Like they set up maybe pickleball so people can play. But now that it's raining and the rain is coming down, probably less. And then the bathrooms are right here. This is a big place.
Your rate of pay should be $17 an hour or higher. 17.
So it looks like they're giving out House of Hands. Oh, massages. Wow. That looks good. Then they have dance lessons. That's kind of cool. Let's sign up. Then more games for the kids. Oh wait, they're like they're playing the game. I saw prices on one of those stands back there, so it made me think that things are not free. All right, let's go see what
now, like Addus or Help at Home will call you in so you can do training to learn how to be a home care. And they'll also just tell you about your benefits, your insurances. This is a real employment job, guys.
I feel like this is the relaxation area where they got the chairs. Yeah, you just want to relax. All right, so now I'm gonna try a food truck. I did stop and check with one of those people, and they said you don't have to pay, you just gotta wait in line and get it. So I kind of want the Italian icy, and I want something else, but I'll see how bad. Oh, the line is crazy. Made to order Belgian waffle on the cakes, mini donuts. All right, so they did do a gospel group where unity and wellness meet. Oh, I love that.
So after you complete training, they will probably have you download an app. The app is for you to like clock in and clock out, and that's how you get paid. Most of these companies pay every single week. Your pay should be about $350 a week. And then
I'm taking off. Everything was wonderful. I'm glad that they give us opportunities like this to come together and meet all our other fellow employees, even if it's part-time or full-time. This is something that you definitely can share in with. So I hope you also enjoyed this video where we talked about how you should become a caregiver, and every single step is open. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you are like me and your mom is in your life, my dad passed away, so I am her sole caregiver. This is a way that you can get paid to do it, help out with some of the gas and all the different things that you normally would do anyway. So good luck for you and your family, and I hope this video has helped you. Bye.